Explore Melbourne by tram and see the many events, festivals and attractions available during winter. At the National Gallery of Victoria, see 130 years of modern and contemporary art from the Museum of Modern Art, New York. With over 200 works by artists including Salvador Dali, Pablo Picasso, Jackson Pollock, Vincent van Gogh, Frida Kahlo, King Lear. Hello passengers, please move well inside the tram and away from the doors where possible. This will help everyone board and step off the tram safely. Thank you. Friday nights. Just an hour from Melbourne is your chance to experience summer hills, Christmas in July, winter wonderlights. During the day, enjoy hands-on activities, theatre shows and the fleet of operating paddle steamers in the world. For more information, visit factioncaboema.com. Visit the Populous Centre, Melbourne's home to smart and entertaining public talks. The next stop is Central Pier and Harbour Esplanade. Step off here for a two-zone drive. Explore Melbourne and beyond on a big, loud, three-wheeled motorcycle. You're wired for sound, so you can talk to your tour guide along the way. Tours are available between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. every day. So grab a brochure on board and start planning a whole new experience. Step off here for the heritage-listed cargo sheds and enjoy a drink at one of the atmospheric bars located right on the waterfront. Then continue your journey to Newquay on foot. This stop is Central Pier and Harbour Esplanade. River and waterways have an important role in traditional culture and the history of Melbourne's development. These areas have been redeveloped and now provide some of the most contemporary entertainment destinations and examples of public art that the city has to offer. This stop is Newquay and Docklands Drive. City Circle Tram journey. If you're planning to travel anywhere outside the free tram zone, places like St Kilda, Melbourne Zoo or Chapel Street, Prahran, you'll still need to have a valid marking. You can
Purchase a myki from major hotels and backpackers, visitor information centres, city train stations, and many retailers such as 7-Eleven. For more information, ask at your hotel or grab a brochure on board, your quick guide to using myki. This stop is New Quay and Docklands Drive. Stop is Central Pier and Harbour Esplanade. Step off here for tours on Trams. For more information about these attractions and what's on around Melbourne this summer, pick up the Melbourne Visitors Guide, available on board this tram. The next stop is Etihad Stadium. Yarra Trams hopes you're enjoying your ride on the City Circle Tram. For your comfort and safety, please take a seat or hold on, because trams sometimes have to stop suddenly in traffic. Etihad Stadium is a state-of-the-art sport and entertainment venue, with seating for more than 50,000 people and a retractable roof that takes 8 minutes to close. The stadium hosts AFL and A-League football matches, as well as rugby and international music acts. Explore behind the scenes, see the players' change rooms and tour the media centre, where all the action is reported. Tours operate from Gate 2, Monday to Friday, 11 a.m, 1 p.m and 3 p.m. This stop is Etihad Stadium. The next stop is Spencer Street. Step off here for Southern Cross Station to connect with train and bus services travelling within Melbourne, across Victoria and interstate. Services include B-Line regional trains and coaches and CountryLink trains to major cities on the east coast. For travellers to Melbourne's airports, Skybus to Tonga and Avalon Airport frequently depart from Southern Cross Station. The station also offers a retail centre, so you can explore great shopping and grab a bite to eat while you wait for your connecting train or coach service. Melbourne is known around the world for its trams and boasts one of the world's great urban tram networks. The network is now the biggest in the world, with 250 kilometres of double track. Yarra Trams operates 24 routes with a fleet of 500 trams. With 3.5 million trips each week and 180 million trips each year, it's no wonder Melbourne loves its trams. This stop is Spencer Street. The area around Port Phillip Bay was the original home of the Kulin Nation, consisting of several language groups of Indigenous Australians whose ancestors have lived in the area for approximately 30,000 years. Step off here to visit Flagstaff Gardens. This stop is King Street. Melbourne's historic and imposing law courts, comprising a large complex of buildings dating from the 1870s. Melbourne has the third largest Greek population outside Athens and Thessaloniki, which has significantly shaped the culture of the city. Melbourne's Greek precinct is located around Lonsdale Street, with restaurants, cafes and cake shops. Step off here for the Hellenic Museum to explore the rich cultural traditions of ancient and contemporary Greece. The museum is located in what was originally the Royal Mint, which began casting gold coins in 1872 in response to the gold rush. This stop is William Street, the gold rush. During this time, a large Chinese community was established. After World War II, a new influx of migrants arrived from Europe, particularly Greece and Italy. Today, Melbourne is recognised as the largest Italian city outside Italy. Melbourne is a truly cosmopolitan metropolis with a population of around 4 million people from over 110 different ethnic backgrounds and speaking 170 languages. Sample the best of Italian and Spanish flavours at bars and restaurants along Hardware Lane, a popular destination for breakfast,